Okay. It's June the 16th. The boys are now 22 months old. This is diaper changing time.
First, in this medical drama, we have to do an inspection. Patient, William Thompson. Condition, Rascal. First, we will check his stomach. Stomach, what are you doing? Then we follow up with a check of the cheeks. And then we see if the whisker is providing any tickle. So far, no reaction.
Patient 1 is already dressed in his pajamas. Tested positive. He already tested positive for rascalitis.
Okay. What do we need to check next, William? Belly button? All right. Can you raise your arms, please? Oh, belly button. Uh-oh, cat down, cat down. What sound does a cat make?
What about a sheep, William? What does a sheep say?
What does a sheep say? What about a crow? Caw, caw. Oh, yeah, deadly animal. Like this.
Hello, Alex. You have found a sock. 2 socks. Where did the socks come from? Alex, could you tell me, what does a dog say? What does a dog say? What does he say? What about a duck? What does a duck say? That's right, quack, quack. What about Casey? What does Casey say? What does Casey say? What does Casey say? Okay, Rascal. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.